Assalamu alaikum. I am Jawad Ahmed. Today we are present in our next accounting concept class in which we are going to study what are the different type of accounts. So before we can start our class, kindly subscribe my channel so you get all my videos on a timely basis. Let's start our class. Different type of accounts. There are three types of accounts. First one is personal account. Second is real accounts. And third one is nominal accounts. Now we are going to study each type with different examples. So let's move to the next slide. First one is personal accounts. Personal accounts are those type of accounts that relates to the persons or the organizations only. So we write here, these are the types of accounts that relates with a person or organization only. So type of accounts that only relates or belongs to a specific person or a specific organization are called personal type of accounts. Now, what are their examples? For example, debtor account. Debtor means customer accounts. Creditor account. Means our vendor or payable accounts. Employees account. Drawing and capital accounts and etc. And any type of account in which we deal only a specific person account means, for example, we are studying or maintaining Jawad, who is our customer account. Then we prepare his ledger account. One side is called debit side and other is credit side. On the debit side, the organization is going to record all the sales that have been made to Jawad. All sales will be recorded here, and the amount that is received from Jawad is going to record on the credit side. And at the end of the year, a carry down will be shown here, showing the balance that is still receivable from Jawad. So Jawad account is a personal account that only belongs to Jawad transaction. The thing I am going to explain here is that you already know that there are different type of persons. These person or the word person means natural persons as well as the artificial person or the representative account. Here, natural person is the real person, for example, me and you. Second is artificial person. Artificial person means company or any legal entity. And the third is representative account that is going to represent any organization or the entity. So it is personal account. Firstly, we have studied its definition, then studies examples, and I also explain a ledger of Javad that represent only Java's transactions. Now let's move to the second type, that is real accounts. Real accounts relates with assets and liabilities, means all the assets and all the liabilities are going to be recorded in that type of account that is called real account. For example, what are its different examples? For example, fixed asset account, any property, plant or equipment, or any other account other than personal accounts. So, the type of account in which all the assets and liabilities are going to record is a real account. For example, vehicle account. Vehicles are our assets, debit and credit. On the debit side, we are going to record all the incoming vehicles. For example, a new vehicle has been brought, so the entry will be vehicle debit, cash credit, and the depreciation at the end of the year will be recorded on the credit side, and the net balance will be called that stand at the year end is carried down. It will move to the next or subsequent years. So this is called real account. Moving to the third one, third type of account is nominal account. Nominal, such type of accounts that relates with income, revenue, which is sales for a business, sales, cost of sales, all expenses, incomes, and utilities. So such type of accounts that are merely relates to the income statement. Statement items are known as nominal accounts. For example, sales account. In sales account, all the sales that has been made during the year is recorded on the credit side, and it will going to be closed in profit and loss at the end of the year. So we have studied three different type of account. First one was personal account, second one is real account, and third one is nominal account. Now we are going to see how these accounts are closed or whether they have been. Now we are going to see whether each of them are going to close or not. First one is personal account, second one was real accounts, and third one is nominal account. Personal accounts usually closed at year end if our vendor or customer pays us. If not, they are carried forward to the next year. So, personal accounts may be closed or not at year end if our debtors or creditors payment have been made at the year end, then they are going to close. Otherwise, their balance will be moved to the next year. Now move to the real accounts. Real accounts belongs to the property or assets account. They are not closed at year end unless any asset is sold out. Otherwise, their carry downs or their closing balances are calculated and move to next year. Third one is nominal accounts that relate to the income and expenses. They are closed at year end by moving them to profit and loss or income statement. So these are the three types of accounts that we have studied in this class. Let's meet in the next class with a new accounting concept. Thank you for your time.